Why they are making this live stream middle of the night here for me? It is what it is. I think it's just because they needed some American audience. What's been happening recently? I've been just in a hellhole of editing. I don't know, it's necessarily you can tell, I mean you can. The recent overviews are becoming a little bit haphazard, and that's mostly due to audio sensitivity. Like when I'm recording and then I'm editing, there's small cracks and not like before. That I solved. Now it's kind of like sounds I'm making. That's just pissing me off when I'm watching the video. So the effect is long because I think one video is between 6 and 8 hours of work, which is crazy in comparison to before, which was the standard like 3 hours. The normal ones, like the playthroughs, it's still kind of manageable, but overviews, it completely went off the rails. The news we'll get today, I don't think will be centered around our interests. Sucks how VR was pushed out. But it's not that, it's just like kind of on pause, I feel like. Is green screen live streaming? Damn, I could have done that, right? But I don't know how to set it up next time. But I wonder if it was a good idea to move the live stream that late for Europe. Because from numbers, it doesn't seem like it. Every single event brings something interesting. But with each year passing by, there's less and less in terms of VR. For the rest, like AI and stuff. Am I too old school to absolutely not care about that?
We do have some new glasses to show you today. And
he's not subtle.
I want to start with these, the next generation of Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Now, these are the original and iconic design. I think that this is actually the most popular glasses design in history. Now, with double the battery life, I wear them all day. They never run out of battery. It's got 3K video recording, double our previous resolution for sharper, smoother, and more vivid videos. These are all shot with Ray-Ban Meta. And Meta AI keeps on getting better. So last year I did this demo translating live between two people. We were doing that on stage. Today, I am excited to introduce a feature that we call Conversation Focus. It's a new feature coming soon that is going to be able to amplify your friends' voices in your ear. If you're in a noisy restaurant, you're basically going to be able to turn up the volume on your friends or whoever you're talking to. Check out how this works.
Hi, Johnny.
Hello, how are you? Got the Renaissance vibes going on? What's going on, baby? Jack.
I just put my name in. It's going to be a couple minutes.
Nice.
I need your advice.
Okay.
Every time I get my picture taken, I feel like I'm not being normal. I want to feel like just a regular person when I'm...
One sec, Jack. Hey, Meta. Start conversation focus.
Starting conversation focus.
Okay, go on.
As soon as the camera comes up,
Yeah.
I start to have this like serious
Demon headlight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do I be like more normal?
Oh, man.
How do I be more natural like when I'm getting my picture taken?
Sometimes I play around with something like your collar, fix your sleeve a little bit.
And like
Yeah, just like
sort of action.
Yeah, like nobody's around. You know what I mean? You gotta just...
Get ready.
All right,
It's interesting.
it's Conversation Focus.
Starting live AI. I love the setup you have here with soy sauce and other ingredients. How can I help?
Hey, can you help me make a Korean-inspired steak sauce for my steak sandwich here?
You can make a Korean-inspired steak sauce using soy sauce, sesame oil.
What do I do first? What do I do first?
Awkward.
You've already combined the base ingredients, so now grate a carrot to add to the sauce.
Oh.
What do I do first?
You've already combined the base ingredients, so now grate the pear and gently combine it with the base sauce.
Sorry, back to you, Mark.
It's all good. This is Meta Ray-Ban Display. Glasses with the classic style you'd expect from Ray-Ban. The first AI glasses with a high-resolution display. And a whole new way to interact with them, the meta neural band. The display is large enough to watch a video or read a thread of messages. It appears in one eye, it's slightly off-center, so it doesn't block your view. And it disappears after a few seconds when it's not in use, so it doesn't distract you. It is very high resolution and very bright. I mean, like 42 pixels per degree, which is sharper than any major headsets out there, and up to 5,000 nits of brightness. So it is crisp, whether indoors or outdoors on the sunniest day. Then there's the neural interface. Every new computing platform has a new way to interact with it. So for the glasses, we're replacing the keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, buttons, dials, with the ability to send signals from your brain with little muscle movements that the neural band will pick up so you can silently control your glasses with barely perceptible movements. Durable, lightweight, comfortable, good-looking wristband with 18 hours of battery life and is water-resistant.
That are like normal looking.
Now, we wanted to make it really easy to send and receive messages. And look, Boz is messaging me right now. Okay, I could go ahead and I could dictate with my voice, I could send a voice clip, but I've got this neural band, and it's silent. And now, a lot of the time you're around other people. So it's good to just be able to type without anyone seeing. And
that is cool.
It's call will be coming in any moment now.
Boz WhatsApp video call.
There we go. Uh-oh. Well,
Not totally sure how it
let's see what
works.
happens.
I thought he was writing, but he's tapping.
That's too bad. I don't know what happened. Maybe Boz can try calling me again. I don't know, you guys. All right.
This was this.
But we're going to have Boz come out here, and we're just going to go to the next thing that I'm to show, and hope that will work. All right. Now I'm going to be able to open up Meta AI with a subtle tap that you're probably going to see. Play California Dreamin'. All right. And want to adjust the volume. There's a volume control in front of me, and I can just turn it. And there we go. This time, Wi-Fi is brutal. Yeah, I don't know. We'll debug that later. You practice these things 100 times, and then you never know what's happening.
I promise you, no one is more upset about this than I am, because this is my team that has to go debug why this didn't work on stage.
We'll show the video that way. When I watch TV, I just have the subtitles on. I can hear fine, but I find that it just makes it easier to follow along. If you have an issue hearing, then I think that this is going to be a game changer.
Yeah, I agree. And it's also cool. It can do translation. So if I'm talking to somebody who speaks a different language than me, I'll get a translation in my native language right on display, real-life subtitles.
So I just take photos really simply, and then I can just, go ahead and I can just browse through them, look at them after.
This has to be like the messiest quite ever, no?
Yeah. Meta Ray-Ban display, our first AI glasses with high-resolution display, and the Meta Neural Band, the world's first mainstream neural interface. And you are going to be able to buy the set for $7.99 in stores, where you can get demos as well, September 30th. All right.
That's reasonable.
Let's talk about the intersection between AI and virtual reality.
Alright, you can join.
Pretty soon, I think that people are going to be able to create entirely new, immersive and interactive types of content. Whole worlds, games, characters, art, holograms that complement the physical objects around you. And this is a big deal. Right now, creating this kind of 3D and immersive and interactive content is really hard. But it takes a long time to create great virtual or augmented reality content, and that's one of the constraints that is holding back the ecosystem. Over the last year, we've released a number of AI tools to generate meshes, textures, TypeScript, audio, skyboxes, and a lot more, so that way creators can make high-quality worlds in just a fraction of the time. Powering this is our brand new Meta Horizon engine. This engine is fully optimized for bringing the metaverse to life. It is much faster, performance and to load things, much better graphics, much easier to create with. Now you're going to be able to easily create infinite connected spaces, look way, way better with realistic physics and interaction. This is our new immersive home, rendered entirely in Meta Horizon engine. Visually, it is a big step forward from where we have been. There is no 8-bit Eiffel Tower here. You can customize your home, you can pin different apps to the wall. Like this Instagram app, it automatically renders your posts from creators and friends in 3D, which is pretty awesome. New engine makes it more than 4 times faster to load and render new worlds. So now it's just a few seconds, right? So it's more like loading a web page than loading an entire new game, which makes it a lot easier to create this interconnected metaverse. All of our products, starting with virtual reality, and then one day coming to your glasses and coming to social media as well.
It's fine, but I don't want soulless AI stuff.
All right.
Bye. So, what he said about those glasses, I'm surprised they're partnering with Ray-Bans to do them. I thought they would be like full in-house. To me, something was wrong with the frame rate and overall fluidity. Of course, it's heavy loaded through streaming it to other sources. I worry it's not gonna be as fluid while seeing them on your head. Essentially said that Oculus platform is Gucci, everything's working, no need for invasion. Which he's right, it's kind of like in the hands of the developers to make games and stuff. Most kind of like interesting part of the glasses to me is the, of course, live translation. We have captions, and then it's like translating it to you. That's pretty much like the future of it, but besides that, what? There was messaging with this Neuralink band. It's like the coolest part. The whole input system, movement by your, it's like the wrist and stuff. Then writing, but he was tapping, like all the gestures you make, it feels it. That's definitely the future. It's interesting what he mentioned about Horizon and AI and content. To me, it's a dangerous line because it's very soulless. Instantly recognize that something's wrong or doesn't fit. Essentially saying to create metaverse through AI, replacing the Horizon workers. Year where there's not much for us, which is fair. It's not like we're the center of their attention all the time. At least he acknowledged that the platform is working and going forward. Saying we can like create spaces with AI and generating goes beyond the Horizon metaverse, right? As always, thank you for joining. I always try to make those live streams whenever it's possible, and every single year I manage to do so. I see you.